From wetland rehabilitation to garden sanctuaries, here's what 22 years of landscaping excellence looks like. From the private islands of the one and only resort to luxury estates, ULS's landscapes are more than beautiful. They are iconic. Our team transformed a marina into an urban paradise in just 10 weeks, planting over 1,500 trees, 1 million shrubs, and hundreds of palms. At Villa Amara in Bakoven, we carved a tropical sanctuary out of the Cape's wild winds. And at Enigma Mansion, ULS turned 7,000 square meters into a fairy tale garden with terraces and waterways. Every detail is intentional, from the coastal beauty at the Radisson Blu Hotel to the indigenous Fynbos Gardens of House Van Zyl. ULS brings nature to luxury and luxury to life. Our team enhanced the historic Harper's House in Greenpoint with a new pool, custom planters, and lush subtropical planting, blending 1890s charm with tropical elegance. Beyond luxury, ULS is deeply rooted in community. In Cape Town's Greenpoint Park, ULS created a biodiversity showcase garden. Part playground, part outdoor classroom where indigenous plants meet interactive learning. ULS transformed the Greenpoint tennis court area at Mui Point with new trees, hardy plants, and a giant chessboard. Designed by Jan Bloch, the layout features structured paving, coral trees, and vibrant accent planting. At Khayelitsha's Harare Precinct 3 Park, ULS built with the community, transferring skills and creating safe, vibrant public spaces. We have brought natural beauty to infrastructure, from the Somerset West transport hub to the vibrant greenery along My City corridors. ULS transformed the gardens of UCT's new HPID school, working on steep embankments and around historic trees. This intricate indigenous landscape was designed using patterns to reflect movement. The site earned a prestigious 6-star Green Star rating, the first academic building in Africa to do so. At Blomhof Electrical Head Office, ULS built a rooftop garden for a Green Star SA facility using jute blankets, compost mulch, and water-wise native plants, meeting environmental targets without sacrificing form. At Karl Bremer Hospital, another Green Star SA facility, we transformed 4 degraded wetlands into healthy man-made ecosystems, restoring plant life, stabilizing soil, and creating a healing atmosphere. ULS has landscaped everything from schools to electrical depots, proving that function and greenery can and should coexist in every public space. Our landscapes don't just look good, they bring history and ecosystems back to life. ULS upgraded the historic Leeuwenhof estate, official residence of the Western Cape Premier. Landscaping included irrigation, slope stabilization, water features, and extensive planting. In the VOC vegetable garden at the company's gardens, our team restored a centuries-old layout using organic principles and hand-built waterways, blending historical accuracy with modern landscaping methods. And at Pardavlai Estuary, our team planted over 45,000 indigenous species, overcoming wind and sandy soil to restore biodiversity to the Lourens River system. From Churchhaven village to the Lourens River, ULS restores natural systems through targeted rehabilitation efforts. This is not just landscaping, it's restoration, transformation, and vision rooted in 22 years of experience. This is Urban Landscape Solutions.